Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Good morning to my friends and my enemies on the voice of Bed Miller. What time now? 16 minutes to 7 in the morning now. Yeah man, so me come, on, you know see it. You come on back on my first Alma-Martaz playground. Yes, barrack school. Yeah man, my first Alma-Martaz, you know. Barrack school is my first. And what the fuck? This first school I really used to go. I'm in Steths basic school back in the day. But you know, see them school, I'm in Steths school, you know, see, no exist anymore. You know, see, big up my Stevenson. Yeah, man, that Gervin mother. Yeah, I want to give her a link, you know, because Gervin says she is 98 years old, you know. And I want, you know, my Stevenson can't talk or anything at all in her memory. I want to take a picture beside Mrs. Stevenson. That's my first school I go. My little, yeah man. Yeah man. My little baby. Basic school. I remember my days at Miss Stevens school. You know, see, yeah. Because I say I'm my first one teacher to teach me. She live on King Street. One slim, dark complexion lady. Yeah man, I remember her man. Was a teacher at Miss Stevens school. So as I say, can I come to do some work, you know, I'm not really for a long talking, you know. But as I say, yeah man, Miss Stevens was my first school I go, but I'm saying now, barrack school now, and my second school I go. Yes sir. I'm really call it my first school still, because Miss Stevens exists again. So it's a barrack school now. And my you know see, and my second Alma-Martaz. Then Steths, and then Steths, the third, and then Knibb, yeah man, the fourth. Yeah man. So you see all you see barrack school, Steths and Knibb. All of them now right now check give me you see, they now right now check give me, you know. Because I not get no work for the school and for certain levels, you know. But me love them three schools there. Yeah man. Me love barrack school. Me love Knibb. Me love Steths and me love Knibb. Because the three schools me go. Big up to all other schools that support me, like Allen High School and Yale Primary and Infant School. They give me good support. All of me not get no work from barrack school again. I mean I get no work from Steths. Yeah man. But me don't love them school there. Because back in the days, barrack school, this is barrack school graduation now. From 2020, what did I say? From the year 2000 to the year 2015. You see the Knibb school graduation now. From the year 2000 to the year 2015. I don't tell people why I not do the Knibb school graduation again. Because them think the past and gone. We make bygones be bygones. You know see it. I'm do Steths graduation 1 year. But at 2017 do Steths graduation. Yeah, I give thanks for the breaks. Although I not want to talk about certain things. Certain things about the Steths graduation thing in 2017. Yeah man. Me put them things behind me. Right now, I don't get no check. I don't get no check from Steths and Knibb and barrack school. But I always defend barrack school on a certain levels. You know, see, barracks, I always defend barrack school and Steths and Knibb. Yeah, when it come on to sports, especially when it come on to sports. Yes, I am. Yeah, man. But big up Yale Primary and Infant. I'm in food basket that. And Holland High School, I'm in food basket that. Because I get checked from them school and all them sitting up on the levels. Yes, I am. You know, see, but as when I say, me say man, I do things because of money. Me do things because of love. I saw me I say, so big up all the school must support me. Right now, right now, right now, soldier bed. Yeah man, one man army. They come early in the morning now. 11 minutes to 7. Man, say boy, man, you see it. Boy, they eating breakfast. Boy, not ready before I don't here, but when I come early, because me for wedding if you go do. Me for wedding if you go do a 7-day church. And private wedding. So I left for some. I go on wedding. Do look a private wedding and come back so. Because my mission now is to tackle wild tambourine now. And them I want to say me can deal with. You understand me? With the machete, I can get a chainsaw and do because I want, as I say, at the 2nd of March, a march at the Bible School Sports. So I love when the houses them can gather and them party under them cheering and sitting there. So when Bo, I don't know if blacks are going to give us strength today. But when Bo come, Bo will continue. We'll try deal with the part with track for Mark. And Bo, I will continue behind the goal the 2 goal because what I say, and I go concentrate on the grass them. You see what against the wall, because we want the grass, we want the people to have free access to the wall, so they can sit down on the wall and enjoy bicycle sport, and they can sit down on the wall and enjoy the morning ball, a Sunday morning time. Because my main mission, I not have time to say because it go short. Because my main mission is to see the ground look back in the days where both football, big goal can play and tracks and the tracks field can depend on it. Yes, I saw me and deal with things. So as I say, I'm not even the time, but you see them players now, if you come prepare you know, because yeah man. Me have them things from COVID from me have them things for the thing the time, you know. Yeah man, I have things for the thing the time, brother. So when you know you can't take a wash bite, you know. All them things in part, you know. So I want to try because we start already, you know. Look up and sitting here. Yeah man, pan park playground, brother. No brother. So I look at things say nobody now go to run us so if you stop them left back in night a circle, because nobody now to run us, you know. And football now go to football and play, so you know. A spectator go get at them party, you know. So I try to just get to them as much as them as possible. Every morning you come here and do a look. Yeah man, this is going to be my morning workout. Because I see my workout, I see my do my thing. Yes, so as I say, we start now. Because I bring on my rake, you know. To rake the grass now. But I know the grass are the least still. I can't wake up anytime still. But I them things I go and concentrate on before the sun come out. Yes. So I'm going to put on. I put on me, yeah man, and see if we can see. Because Jaja, you can't take a wash bite, because I say what's them thing, brother. You can't take a wash bite, brother. You know, see, because my face too dainty, I can't take a wash bite, brother. So as I say, one man army, one you bed, I go just deal with some wild tambourine now. Big up yourself, Tiger, guy tell me say, boy, but Tiger, boy, if you take the wild tambourine, brother, you know, you can't go dig out. The one up on the field, the one up on the field, yeah. You can dig out the one, one up on the field. But the one, amount of, trust me, I'm going to try to chop them close to the root, you know. But trust me, to nobody now, boy the man mash up park field, man, Jaja name. I say good, brother. So I'm going to, so hear me now. I'm going to do make a video about 5 minutes of me work and tappy. Yes, I am. Yeah. Jaja. No. Jaja, me kill it. Aya. No, sir. No, aya. Right. No, sir. No, aya. I'll put on the glass, sir. The glass will become more clearer. Yeah. I'm going to put on. No, go breathe it. Go breathe it. No breathe it. See what I'm talking about? At this left back, you know. This the left back, brother. You know, see it? Because through nobody now, through the kids now, when I saw. You know, going to remain. Yeah, man, see me for just deal with the wild time and then go down the line. Yes. See my shit a shop. Jaja. So I go sign off for now, you know. So never go deal the wild time and then yeah man, go down the line. Yes, cause the boss, them are kinda close to the track. Yes, fire. Why me I tell us the boy Bike school a poor people school. Yeah, primary and infant same way. You know see it? Jaja, me I tell you better. As I say, me's a man love Bike school in a seat. I love Knibb school. I love Steths. Although then I write me no check. I just love the schools them same way. Yes. Okay. Because at them 3 schools there. Because it's when I live yet. You can't tell about my days at Bike school. When I grade 5 and grade 4 and grade there. I'm in the Eagle. But it's when I reach grade 8. Yeah, I'm the brightest boy in a grade 8. Because it's night. I write my recommendation. I get good recommendation. Because if I get recommendation, I got Steths, you know. I'm a teacher in time, give me a good recommendation. But my performance in a 8th grade. As I say, yes. They will check the thing in front of you, so brother. Make your angle it better for you, so. You can't go down to the road. Yeah. And the wild time I deal with. Yeah man. But try to cut as much as I can. So if a man can pass through, I do some volunteer work. Because volunteer work I do, you know. Just saying upon the levels, you know. Yeah man, volunteer work I do. Come in and do for the money, you know. You know see it. And my brother they get all the money, you know, upon the levels, you know. Come and look out for him on certain levels. My workers, you know, so I used to be not talk certain things, you hear me? So any parent who knows that the kid I run for Bike school and they can't come get strength. And they can't come to volunteer work same way. Just like Labor Day when they have Labor Day, we know for free and all them sitting there. This is the project because at the parents, you know, and who goes want to stand up on them party, you know. And cheer around on something in the better. When the kids them, you know, a Bike school sports, you know. You know, see it? Yes. And who know? Yeah, man, so no fun now. Parents and with kids. Yes, I come to Bike school. Want to come push out some volunteer work and massive work they have to do. And no man now come do their work and I get no money. So I say, what I say now, I go sign off for now. I never win the time. I'm not check pan so much how long me gone. Yeah man. So I go sign off for now. The show say less than 20 minutes and so forth. John, I go sign off I know. And do my work because I want to beat the sun. Because you see the sun rise over them palm tree there. So I want to do as much work before the sun come out. Because ship coming already, you know. I don't know much ship come. But yeah man, one you go deal with wild tambering them. Yeah man, never deal with the wild tambering them as much as possible going on the line. The part take my time and you see. Come and tell us about you have some wild tambering coming like a you see. Like a tree higher. So I'm going to sign out now. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Soko. One love to all my friends and my enemies. Yeah man, the word is love. A long time I take up a machete, you know. But a long time I got dark up. You see, a long time I take up a machete now. But it's the soldier bed, Wang Yu bed, and the wild tambering them in a seat. At war I know, I want to get them off of me in a seat. My first playground in a seat. William Knibb High School first playground. We want to try to restore what the place are in a seat because it's a gun, historical gun. So me on the wild time with them at war. Because high school sports are the Aaron in a March. So every morning I come here and deal with some wild tambering. Take up my strength from the wild tambering them. Every morning I come take up my strength from the wild tambering them. And bring back my first Alma-Martaz. Back to the days when it used to be. Only if you come on board and bring back the playgrounds them. That's all I say. Yeah man, don't watch your money coming out right now. We not want to talk certain things. In a seat. I got me I work for. And what the fuck me not work for God neither? Me not work for God. Me I work for the kids them. At Falmouth. Because yesterday, when the kids didn't come out here, I see no Labour Ride Pitney and no PMP Pitney. I see Falmouth Pitney. A Falmouth Pitney them I do it for. But big up yourself. Councillor God. Big up yourself, God. He's a good man. All you're soft in certain ways, you know. You're soft, you know, but he's a good man, you know. Because certain things you're against, you know. But I just show them, me not preach no politics. Me not preach no politics, but what? You know, see it, me talk to you, and I say, boy, I'm not come deal that thing, my brother come deal that thing and so forth. So I go talk to you again after the year. Because things I may talk, but I'm not talking in public. But as I say, God, Falmouth are free. Falmouth are for the people, them. Falmouth are not for no PMP and no GLP. Falmouth for the people, them. That's why we want to keep Falmouth. So I do this, I do what I do now. Me at war. Me at war with wild tambering. Because I tap until everything has to move out. So who want to come get strength, but me, I deal with it. I them I go take up me. I them I go take up the anger pan. I not take up the anger pan my fellow black brothers and in the seat. I not talk about black. I not take up the anger pan my fellow human being them. And yes, I go just get to them things. So one love, Wang Yu, yeah man, Wang Yu, one man army, Wang Yu bed. Yeah man. I go sign out now. I go post up this in the early morning now. Yes. And deal with some wild tambering. In the seat. I love tambering, you know. But I love wild tambering. Yes, I am.